Well, hello, this is Rosa rcgkreations. How you doing? I'm bringing to you the recap of I made a homemade kitchen counter cleaner. It's made with citrus, apple cider vinegar, and water. And that's it. I'll put it in the link in the description box. I'll put a link to the video where I show you I'm making it. This is going on, I believe it's 4 months. And what's really nice about it is anytime you have any citrus, instead of throwing it away, the skins, stick it in your jar and just add more and continue to make more and continue to recycle it. So, now I got me some paper towels. It's my first time doing this, so let's see how this works. I went ahead and just put some in a little squirt bottle. And then I'm going to squirt my counter. My squirt, I'm going to bring you to the stove so you can see how greasy. I just got through making supper, and you can see that. See how greasy that is? Let me move that angle so you can see it. So let's see how clean it gets. And you're supposed to be able to put it on any surface. I definitely want to get a different sprayer. This is the only one that I had. I'd rather have one that splatters a little bit more. Then I'm going to put some on my island. Let me move this out of the way. So my island is wood. And let's see how it all cleans. Okay, so let's start from over here. We'll do the stove last. Well, it's wiping it up. It's getting all the greasies out. Oh, I need to wash that. Okay, I'm going to use the same towel. There's some kind of a food stain. Some kind of a sauce. Ooh. I squirted on some stain and it wiped right off. But then, of course, even water would do that too. But the thing I like about this is you're not having to use your chemicals in your household cleaner. So let me get that and wash that one. Now let's do the real one. Let's see what the stove looks like. I'm getting a fresh towel. Get all this on the front, on the handle of the oven. Now I'm not going to do a thorough cleaning and doing my grates and all that. I'm just going to do surface cleaning right now. Weekends is when I do the thorough cleaning. Okay, let's get you saw that I flipped it over. So it's a brand new piece of paper towel. It's taking the grease off. And you can smell the citrus. That's good. Better than smelling ammonia or chemical. So far. And it's not leaving little streaks. We'll see in a minute once it dries, because, you know, when you have black appliances, those really show your streaks. Okay, so there's no streaks at all here on the handle. But then that's made out of some kind of plastic. Let me do my little knobs. But look at that. I'm going to bring you to it. Let me throw these in the garbage. Oh, I need to pep out. I got to do my island. Let me do my island right quick. Oh yeah, just picking up all the dirt and debris. Not bad at all. See that? Not bad. Not bad at all. I don't see anything that didn't get cleaned from just the one wipe. And I'm looking to the side to see if there's anything, because you know when you angle to the side you can see stuff. So I say this is a win-win. No more buying chemical to wipe down your tables, your kitchen counters and your island, anything that touches food, because let me bring you close. Look at that. You saw me. There's no streaks. So, and it cut out all the grease stains. So, thank you so much for watching. We catch you in the next video. Let me have to say goodbye. Take care. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. We thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.